might be wondering why anybody ever would want to have anything to do with raw eggs. Whoa. Authentic tiramisu recipe, that's what. Separate 3 egg whites from the yolks, and starting with the yolks, add some caster sugar, mix it all up until it's nice and frothy. You really have to take your time. Here's the consistency. To that, add some vanilla paste and some mascarpone cheese. Mix it all up again until it's well combined and nice and thick. After which, you're going to move on to the egg whites. Mercilessly beat them until you get nice stiff peaks as such. And to that egg white mixture, add the egg yolk and caster sugar mixture in 2 parts, and fold it carefully too. You don't want to lose those beautiful fluffy air bubbles we've created by mercilessly beating the egg whites to a pulp. And after that, add some coffee liqueur to some hot espresso. The liqueur is optional, by the way. Grab your finger biscuits or savoiardi and pop them, line your tray with them. And after that, add a nice chunky layer of the cream that we just put together. Repeat the step and you're done. Just pop it in the fridge overnight. But you may be asking, where is the heavy cream? What kind of tiramisu is this? Well, allegedly, this is the authentic recipe. I'm going to link the website that I used for this recipe down below. Go check it out. But yeah, it was really good. Just dust it with cocoa powder right before serving, and grab your cup of coffee and enjoy. It's really good, not eggy at all. And think about it, this is pretty much a pre-workout. This is so keto, this is so proteiny. It's great. It's really delicious. I do recommend.